Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Paint and loading the image you want to edit. Once loaded, duplicate the canvas by selecting all, copying and pasting to a new file so you preserve the original. Next, zoom into the text area and use the rectangular select tool to isolate the words you'll change. This gives you precise control and avoids accidental edits. Make sure to set canvas size to fit the selection, and keep an eye on resolution so text replacement matches scale and clarity. Now remove the existing text cleanly. You can use the eraser tool or fill the text area with a matched background color. Use the eyedropper tool to sample exact colors. If the background is patterned, recreate the pattern with small brush strokes or copy neighboring pixels and paste them in place. Once most of the text is gone, refine edges using the pencil or a small brush to blend seams so there's no visible halo. This makes the new text sit naturally on the image. Finally, add your new text. Select the text tool, choose a font, size, color, and alignment that match the image style, type your replacement, and then click outside the text box to commit it. Once set, use the Move tool to nudge position and the pencil or small brush to touch up any anti-aliasing mismatches. When done, save a copy as a new file format like PNG to preserve quality and keep the original image unchanged. If colors look off, retrace the background edge and resample with the eyedropper to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.